In this video, I want to review the three basic trigonometry functions, sine, cosine, and tangent, and also provide you with their reciprocals and a way to know which reciprocal matches up with which function. All right, so to start off, we're going to use this mnemonic here, SOH CAH TOA, to know what each of the functions actually stands for. So sine, here written SIN, is the ratio of the opposite side of the triangle to the hypotenuse. So we'll write that out. Next, we have CA for cosine, written COS. That is the adjacent side over the hypotenuse. Finally, we have TOA for tangent, written TAN, and that is opposite over adjacent. Cool. Each function also has a reciprocal, and the reciprocal is simply 1 over that function. For sine, we have cosecant, written CSC. It's 1 over sine, and when we take the reciprocal like this, we basically flip this function on the left here. So it's going to be hypotenuse over opposite. Cosine's reciprocal is secant, written SEC. It's going to be 1 over cosine, and that comes out to hypotenuse over adjacent. And finally, we have the reciprocal of tangent, cotangent, written COT. 1 over tangent equals adjacent over opposite if we're flipping that function on the left. Each of these functions, again, is simply a ratio of one of the sides of the right triangle to the another. The hardest part about all of this, really, though, is remembering what reciprocal matches to what function. A cool little thing you can do to remember that is to know that for each function and reciprocal pair, there is one ratio that starts with co. So for sine, there's cosecant. For cosine and secant, there is cosine. And finally, for tangent and cotangent, there is cotangent. So if you have one of the functions, just know that the other one is either going to start with co or it won't. That's it for this one.